Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Notion app not working on your Windows 11 system, having error code, various type of error code, and here are the fixes. The first one is clear caches of your Notion app. Go to File Explorer. You may press Win plus E shortcut key to open File Explorer. Here go to C drive. Here scroll down and look for users. Double click on users. Go to your profile name folder, user folder. Here open app data. If you don't find app data here, then go to view and show hidden files. Make the check against this option. Open roaming folder. Here scroll down and look for the Notion folder, Notion app folder in File Explorer. Open it and here you will find caches folder. Clear all your caches and you may delete all these folders from this roaming folder. So clear all your caches of your Notion folder and check whether you still facing Notion app error code 502 or not. If you are still facing, then go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on a start button and choose task manager. Here under process section, go to process from the left menu bar and look for Notion. You may type in search field, otherwise select Notion and click on end task from the top right corner. First select Notion app and click on end task and open a fresh Notion app. The next workaround to fix this issue is clear your browser caches. If you are using either Chrome or Firefox browser or Microsoft Edge, open it, click on 3 vertical dot from the top right corner and choose settings. Here from the left side, click on 3 horizontal line and go to privacy and security. Here under privacy and security you will find the option delete browsing data. Click on it and here go to advanced tab. Time range should be all time and make the check against all these options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, caches, images and files, and finally click on delete data. It will clear your browser caches and check whether your Notion app error code 502 fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on Notion app and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility section. Click on compatibility. Here first run compatibility troubleshooter and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and make the check against option run this program compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your Notion app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box and here type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. This will open all your available networks in your system. Here go to your network connections, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Simply right click on it and choose properties. Here the correction uses the following items: select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, select it and choose properties. Here use the Google DNS server address, make the check against option. Already here you will find set it as. How to set Google DNS server and alternate DNS server. Simply make the check against option, use the following DNS server address, and under preferred DNS server address should be 888 and alternate DNS server should be 8844. This is the Google DNS server. Click on OK to save the changes and check whether Notion app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on open control panel in your system. Here go to programs and features. And here look for Notion app. Simply select it and choose uninstall. Simply look for Notion app. Select it and choose uninstall from the top menu bar. The one more way to uninstall your Notion app, right click on start button, choose settings. Here go to app settings from the left side of menu bar. Thereafter go to installed apps from the right side, and here look for Notion app. Type in search field Notion and click on 3 horizontal dot against Notion app and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of Notion app in your system. That's all.